Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
When you stepped outside the door this morning, you probably noticed there was a different chill to the air as we have some cooler air moving down in and across Acadiana. It'll be with us for most of the day on Wednesday before heading into Thursday and Friday. We start to moderate temperatures back into the 60s. But as we get that warmer air, it does look like rain will be returning heading into the first half of the weekend. We'll take a look at this weather video shot earlier today, and it was a breezy afternoon, and you can see the flags flying in and around the area this afternoon in that breeze out of the north, anywhere from 10 to 15, gusting near 20. So that made it feel a little chillier today. I do think the winds relax tomorrow, so it should feel a little bit more comfortable to be outside, although temperatures will still only top out in the upper 50s. Taking a look at our water vapor, we can see what's kind of going on. We have this dip in the jet stream that is allowing that cooler Canadian air to work its way all the way down and across the Gulf Coast for the next couple of days. But our next system is still well out into the Pacific Ocean. As you can see, it's a closed off low now beginning to spin. That's eventually going to bring in the rain heading into late Friday and Saturday. But right now, it's beginning to just push the moisture into the sunshine states. So not too sunny back through California for the next couple days. As you can see, showers pushing in towards the Bay Area and some snow up into the Sierra Nevada. That rain will then move down towards Las Vegas and San Diego before the system tracks across the southern portion of the country and heads towards us by late Friday into early Saturday. A chilly 48 degrees right now at the Lafayette Regional Airport with clear skies. Winds are beginning to relax, and those should continue to calm down through the rest of this evening. And with dew points in the 30s, we will see those temperatures continue to fall and drop all the way down into the lower 30s across northern portions of Acadiana. So a possible light freeze up towards Alexandria. Frost looks like to be a good bet. So sensitive plants will need to be covered tonight across all of Acadiana, even along the interstate mid-30s. So some patchy frost will be possible in Lafayette all the way over towards Lake Charles, and even down close to the Gulf Coast. We look at low to mid-30s across a good portion of Acadiana. The only warm spot this evening will be in the lower 40s for Cameron right down near the coast. Then tomorrow afternoon, we get that sunshine pushing temperatures back into the mid to upper 50s. So similar to today, but with less wind, it feels a little warmer to be outside. And as that high slides off to the east, not as chilly waking up Thursday morning, but still you can see mid to upper 30s, maybe even some lower 40s to get the day started. So still we'll want the heavier jackets to begin the day, but by the afternoon, starting to get a little bit more mild as temperatures make their way back into the 60s. But clouds will start to return with the milder temperatures heading into our Thursday, as the European model shows a good mid to high level cloud deck returning across Acadiana. Rain starts to push in and across the area by Friday evening. As you can see, that system tracking along South Texas start to bring some scattered showers in and across, but mainly light activity Friday night. The system has kind of slowed down as it's taken its time pushing into California. So waking up Saturday morning, we're looking at the chance for good scattered showers, but those will be picking up late morning into the early afternoon. You can see some of the darker shades showing up, so some very heavy rain. Also the possibility for a couple of thunderstorms with the system into Saturday afternoon. We'll be pushing off to the east with breezy conditions pulling in late Saturday into Sunday, along with some very cold temperatures again, as highs will only be into the lower 50s, feeling more like the upper 30s. Here's a look at your rainfall totals for that system on Saturday. You can see a good soaking anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, so flash flooding could be a concern, but with the dry conditions we've had, I do think most of us are able to soak that in. It's only in some areas that get the real training that we'll have to pay attention to, but we'll have more on that as it gets closer to us. 35 for that overnight low, so a very chilly evening. Frost likely protect those plants and pets tonight. Then for our Wednesday, another cool day, 58 for the high. Some high clouds starting to return during the afternoon into the evening. 60s for Thursday and Friday. Rain, good possibility for Saturday, and then turning cooler into Sunday and first half of next week with lots of sunshine before another round of rain by Thursday.
All right, thanks, Eric.